Hi, and welcome back to Dana Katrice, Savor the Savings, Cooking, and Couponing. This week at Dollar General, I have 16 any day deals, with each one being under $5 plus tax. These are super beginner friendly and they only require the Dollar General app. So, what you're going to do is go into the store, scan the 4 items from your deal to make sure the coupons are still attaching. If you haven't already, you're going to clip those coupons. Once you have the items, you're going to go up to the register. The cashier will scan them. You will put your number into the keypad and you will pay the out of pocket. And that is it. So I'm going to just let the rest of these scroll. So for the week of April 21st through April the 27th, these are my 16 any day deals. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask them, and I hope this helps.